Next up, Medical Detective for Gunny. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. For this, we need to search for the missing supplies in a nearby town, and this one sounds really easy, and it really is, as long as you actually have the key that you're looking for. If we zoom into the town here, you'll again see the general T-shape. What we're looking for is all the way down here. For me, in 169 to 116, so general T-shape, down on this left arm past the bend, all the way down here, very close to LZ1. That's where we need to head, and when we get there, we need to use the doctor's office key, so it'll be your town's name plus a doctor's office key. It's this thing right here. This is what we need. I found it just by killing bots in the general area. In fact, I found it right about over here, killing bots so they can drop pretty much anywhere. They don't need to be in the specific area where the key is needed. You just need to kill a bunch of bots until you eventually find this key, then make your way over there. For me, I got it by killing the boss with the red beret inside of the marketplace over here, but for you, it could be on any bot. Check their pockets, backpacks, fanny packs, etc. Let's make our way over there. Alright, so making our way all the way to this back part that I mentioned earlier down here, we'll need to head our way into this building here and use the key. So we'll need to clear out the guards around the front, if there are any here, which there usually are, and make our way towards this building over here. So inside this building with the red roof, we'll have a door that we don't need to open, and next to it, the door with the key NT dock. So we'll unlock this, open it, and inside of here is where we need to be. Oh, and you can also use the key here to get in from the next door area, but again, you can't get access to this room without the key in particular. Inside of here, you'll find on the table a doctor's diary. We need to grab this, and that's pretty much it. Once we've grabbed just that item, all we need to do now is head back. There is also a back door here, which you could have used to come in if you want to avoid PvE or PvP completely. So back here. For now, I'll head back and hand it in. And now that we're back, we can hand in the quests. So for Gunny, I'll hand this over and complete. There we go. That's been Medical Detective. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.